This Goode Realty property video is presented by Trey Ceiling. Great location in Daphne, this 3-bedroom home in historic Malbis, open floor plan with 2-car garage. Walk into your foyer with guest bedrooms to right and left, hall bath conveniently located for guests. Great room, dining and kitchen are all open with tall ceilings for very open concept. Tile floors throughout with custom built-in bookcases in the great room and granite counters in kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Carpet in master bedroom and 1 guest bedroom only. Private master suite includes tray ceiling, walk-in closet and double vanities and master bath with separate shower and soaking garden tub. Large capacity front load washer/dryer to remain. New range with air fry-dehydrate capacity. No neighbors in the front or in the back. This is a gym location. Conveniently located to Malbis and Spanish Fort shopping and dining and the I-10 Highway 181 exit. For more information, review the details below or contact Trey Ceiling at 205-966-8794.